have 1 hour to think about what I can do instead of what I can't do. So what I can do in 1 hour is tackle the clearing out of this top row of books on the bookshelf. So that is what I'm going to do in this hour. I've already started, so I have got a pile for stationery, for bits and bobs paper. I have got bits and bobs that need sorting after. I have a bag for general waste. I have a bag for recycling and a bag for shredding. The books I am going to sort onto the chairs into categories of gardening, cooking, or whatever else other categories up there. I think there's only 2 categories. Actually, it's all to do with gardening and foraging. So I'll separate those. There's ornaments, stuff that needs to go in folders on the...
Oh,
the TV program, Whose House Is This?, where they start by looking at a person's bookcase and studying all the books that they have and coming up with an analysis of who the house belongs to, possibly a celebrity of some person. You have to guess who it is by what's on the bookcase. So I'm sure that a bookcase could tell you a lot about the person who lives in that house. I'm wondering what our bookcase says about us. Here's a bit of fun. Is going to be one of great change. Onwards, upwards and forwards. That's what I'm hoping for you. What can you put in order, organize, clear out, and sort out in your own homes? It has been said that the condition of our immediate environment can affect us mentally and the whole course of our lives. So by that token, putting our homes in order, clearing out the clutter and anything that holds us back, and even in the garden, and especially being in the garden and enjoying outdoors and putting things into a place where it can be a beauty rather than a hindrance, then we can move forward in our goals and we can actually achieve a great deal more because of the effect it has on our minds and our well-being. Well, last week was a self-reliance week. This week is a crossover between the last week and the first week of the next month, the full one. So this week would normally be the first week of March, but it's only 2 days of the week that's March. So I'm treating this as an extra week for a chat. That's why the random sort out, clear out week. Next week will be a garden week. So what am I going to be starting to put in order in the garden? We'll wait and see till next week. Take care, folks. I'll see you then.